Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you if you have a problem with your fuel, it's not pumping right. Look at your pulse line right here. See, this one's cracked right here. All right, this is the replacement here. Well, you see this part number here. But all kinds of different shapes and sizes of these. So I'm going to show you how I find the part numbers for this too. So to replace it, I'll just pull on it, yank it out here. Any kind of pick or small screwdriver, just try to start it in the back first and then work your way in the front. There. I'll rotate it here. Make sure this is in all the way. Yep. Slide her up. Here, nothing to it. To find parts online and see how much they cost, I just type in parts catalog .deere and like this one right here, and I already got it bookmarked. And then you can select your area, select your dealer right here. Type in New York City, see what shows up here. And you're gonna go down here and click on lawn and garden, and it's gonna show up a bunch of spots here. Whatever, I'm gonna just pick one here. Select dealer. You type in your model number, so it's LA145. Click on that. And there's your tractor. Now I'm going to click on fuel and air. I'm going to click on this one here, number 3, and it's right here, fuel pump. This is the one right here, 15. So if you click on 15 right here, shows it up right here. Then it shows up the price, $6.49. And I can add that to your cart and then click on the cart. Now proceed to checkout. It doesn't work in the US to see if this dealer has it in stock, but in Canada it does, so I'll show you that. I'm going to select change my dealer, Nova Scotia, Canada. Click on lawn and garden, and this is my dealer right here. Now I'm going to go proceed to checkout. Not here, you got to order it right here, and it's $11.21 Canadian. So now I just gotta either call them with this part number, and then when they have it in stock, they gotta give me a shout and go pick it up. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.